So we're at day 2 of our South Carolina Black Farmers Coalition Conference 2022. And again, we want to welcome you back to the campus of Penn Center. But you're actually, obviously, in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So within the Gullah Geechee Nation, we have a Chieftess. We have Queen Quet, who has agreed to join us this morning and bring us some greetings. So I'm going to bring to the stage Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, who will bring us some greetings. Queen Quet?
Stay with me, oh, stay with me until the war is ended. We want to stay with me, oh, stay with me, stay with me until the war is ended. Morning, honey children.
Morning.
How are the children doing today?
Doing good.
I'm glad if I get it so. But we together like this year. Even though honey children are there for a few hours and things like that, like we elders used to do, the ancestors used to do, they're clean. They would have been up here. We don't get together dry long soap. So I gotta ask everybody for stand, make one circle around the room. Put your phone and things down, put your camera down, just get up and move to the side, make one wide circle in front of the room. This is your weekend. We normally gather in the Gullah Geechee Nation for be part of this your thing called the Weeping Time ceremony. Because this is the time that we commemorate, remember, when the largest auction of Africans would take place just south of where we today. Right, Jonah? And 100 children across the valley. So this your weekend, I normally did it with them, down in the ancestors, a poor libation fund. But God said, it's steady. They want you to be part of interfere. What's still going on today? Then they said, but come here, Queen, but be with the black farmers. And then they said, well, Queen, great God, we thought you were going to be active. We've been telling you did it. I said, well, look at you. My body can't be on the same place, that same time. But the spirit can do it with all of the children. And since we've been there, well, how my computer thing work? I can get it one place without drive there. I can be the other rest of the place. Most walk y'all. Forget you. And I can yell at the ancestors. Were there with we from this your grounds. Who been the one who just like them in the weeping time. Remember what the auction. But the auctioneer been, damn, the auction been for this your land. Sell it! Whatever they upon, from 1500, 16, 1700, or the 1800s. And no one what? They learn them right here on this your school, Charlotte. Let them for know. The auction number for them to have this your time. Ain't for honor. It's for the lie. Because the other rest of block with us going from you. Scared from you. Left from you. Because what? That big troop been on stocks. They been scared. They ain't know what in the going on. Like some of the people right now cross in Europe. Scared. They ain't know what going on. And the thing that come into the heart, come into the mind, the how can we get them, punish your land, and not take time, but take a moment of silence for the ancestors. How can you come together with anything with this your body on? Around the world, during the international decade of people of African descent in the joy and the sorrow. So God said, yeah, they tell them for come there for welcome, but I ain't sending you there for welcome. I send you there for do what you're supposed to do. And I for make sure they don't do this your thing out of order. So for be decent and in order, we normally would go out Jonah, pour the libation. But y'all have been up there too long to run your mouth this morning. So you're still right here. I want everybody to close your eye while you have. Give a moment of silence for all our ancestors. But we did upon this island that we did about go sometime. Going on into the realm of our ancestors today. Ancestors, remember who we're going to be. We thank you for our that. We thank you for answering and the power within this land. Because what every remember that what we did it. But every but be who it ought to be. That I want to be. Evil, my think I'm a naked, you live a corner, easy, mendy, tell me feet. If baby, oh, what if it there? What is this shit? Who we be? And for we know this shit that we be. What a Geechee out there. So we thank you as we take this shit on our silence for all the 100 children who never count for us call this shit. I share. And for all the others, we're still there upon the house. From Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida. We want to say thank you to them. We've been the one who know how to hold the seed in the hand. Been the one who know what right ground for putting down in. Rather was for harvest. Because it sure ain't a harvest without plant first. So, when you come into this show, where they're calling them a conference, where they're gathering, when you gather together, no say, something God forget plant in y'all. Truly is y'all, for him get plant in y'all. If he ain't did it, and if God ain't bless you for him, he ain't care how much seed you get on him. That physical one in your hand, ain't nothing but grow. Tall. They call it a gift. Some have, some don't have tall. Some day are for raise cow and take, raise hog and take. But you can't plant no greens. Can't plant no meadows. Rather was, if you have to go on a journey like the elders that broke your back and see how them caught. Rather was, how your hand died blue like mine while last week and indigo. Huh. It ain't been no easy thing. So no sin. Plenty of people did one. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And look at the pictures of the children in the field. And make them look easy. But it ain't easy. It ain't easy for black people to have land all. Rather was something where you can grow something. Rather was have this shot. And the mother went for no what for grow, where for harvest. Because you could have planted, it could have grown. And when you pass the harvest season, it's seed again. Ain't nothing for now, but in the next stage. So that's why the elders about me said, what while they did. So I'm glad for no say. You get up out of this morning. And it daylight. But you got work to do. And I'm glad for welcome one of y'all. Till you go to get you this. Punch and tell them. We're gonna get you true. Thank God. We hold what we like. Well, the rest of the people right around this y'all. See him? Beaufort County. Sell off the yard. Throw in yard. I said, what's it crack in it? Because we're gonna do that. We can't now find the money. But sure enough, if one still got that land, God bless them, you can now for what come about it. So trust, believe this. God land, that's a revolutionary act for 100 children hold on them. If I make sure 100 children understand why the crack potato say, it is a revolutionary act for black people to hold on to land. So if I do nothing else here today, I want you to understand that. Mike, do me a favor, hand me them 2 books right there. It's a revolutionary act for you to read. And I don't mean text. I don't mean emojis. When I wrote this book, From We Soul to the Soil, came after the legacy of Igbo land. And every book I write is still about Gullah Geechees holding on to their land. This land is sacred, and I pray that while you're here, you feel that sacred energy and power, and that you respect that sacred energy and power. Because as you walk over it, you walk in the pathway of our ancestors and our elders, like my mother, and my father, and my aunts, and all of them who worked at this school while they attended this school, who graduated from this school. Because this was a school that taught agriculture as well. They had us working here, even though you paid tuition. And they wasn't necessarily teaching. A lot of the buck would have been to learn. They were learning what the students brought to this place from home, from Big Daddy, Mama, and Granddaddy, and everything like that, who had them out Jonah with the plow, walking higher, putting in the seeds. So I pray that your souls are seeded with more power, more energy, more blessings from all the places that you represent in this African diasporic circle. We are more than just the color black, but you best believe I have always said I was a black Gullah Geechee person, an African in America. I am not an African American. And black unites us around the world, and I am proud of that because they wrote down their black gold. And there ain't no gold that I found that's not rich. So I pray that richness finds its way to each one of you. And all that you plant, that you have abundant harvest and many, many blessings. So on behalf of the Gullah Geechee Nation, welcome Rachel. The pretty on the children. Grow up some blessing to this your conference, this your weekend. God bless on the children. Thank you for the invitation. We'll see you on this morning.
I'm going to talk loud and quick. I just want to thank Queen Quet again for joining us. She is probably one of the most self-determined individuals that I've ever encountered, and okay, unapologetically so. We just want to bless.
Oh, you give me some Shamrock or the Patrick Smith.
Yeah, no,
that was I just play with you. Thank you, man. Yes, the gold and the green. Yes, appreciate it. This is our St. Helena Elementary, our St. Helena school colors. We are the Black Panthers, so I thank you. Thank you so much. And I